Hi, I'm Shane Phillips, the CEO of the Phillips Group, and we're here at the Human Resources Summit and Expo, the largest HR event in the Middle East, and I'm here with Ashley Boots, the Chief Human Resource Officer for NMC Healthcare. Welcome.
Thank you.
So what have been some of the focus areas for you during COVID and post-COVID?
So some of the focus areas, and I think it's similar to what a lot of organizations have been focusing on, but it's really around the people and their well-being, right? You know, the last 12 to 24 months have been extremely challenging for all of us, with fear, with uncertainty, with isolation from loved ones, our need as humans to connect with people, and our inability to do so. Now we're starting to come out of it, thankfully, but you know, the toll that takes on someone's well-being is significant. And so we wanted to make that a priority, to make sure that each person had the right level of support that they needed to get through that. Add on top of that, we're a healthcare organization. You know, we're the largest private healthcare provider in the UAE. I mean, on top of the personal challenges people were facing just in trying to navigate COVID and what it meant for their own personal circumstances, their family, they were also coming into a hospital every day, not knowing what environment they were going to face. You know, at the peak of the pandemic, we were converting various wards in our hospital into ICU specific COVID wards. You know, so they were there literally on the front line, holding people's hands as they suffered from COVID. You know, so the emotional trauma of that as well was a significant impact. So we really focused on providing our colleagues whatever support they needed to feel safe, to feel heard, to feel that we cared. You know, we were flexible wherever we could be, so that way we weren't adding additional burdens to them, but helping them be successful in their specific role just to make it through the pandemic.
And what are some of the more exciting things you felt that the company was able to do to ensure and safeguard the mental health of the people?
I think some of it is actually just listening and giving them a pathway to share and be heard, right? You know, when people feel that they're fighting these challenges on their own, the trauma of it intensifies. And when they knew that we were there, we did have the right, we'd have open days, we implemented an employee hotline for them to speak with licensed psychologists, you know, to give them whatever level of support it was, whether it was just a coffee chat with somebody that they trusted, or somebody that was extremely qualified to help them out depending on the severity of the scale. I think just being able to provide those outlets is what some of the really impactful things that we were able to do.
Well, Ashley, thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you at the conference next year.
It's great, thank you.
That's HR Summit and Expo, live from the Dubai Convention Center.